Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Your role and power. You create your mission and journey, as no one is creating for you. Just make sure you include God in your plans and allow Him to lead the way. When you seek His will, you know you're exactly where you're supposed to be, and you allow the universal force to get to work and unleash its magic. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.